the western. You were young, I love my son, and there is time to kill today. And there one day you find 10 years ago to behind you. No one told you when to wrong. It is a steady go. I'm closing to death. Every year's got a summer, never seem to find the time. Instead I come to know all the breezes meet the last. Hanging on a quiet desperation, the endless shade. The time has come, the song is over. Something more to say. On again. I like to be when I can. When I come on tired, it's good to know my bones were certified. Far away across the field, the tawny haughty I won't bow. Goes to faith for tenderness, and softly spoken, just grazie. Through the cloud, with a circus man, is running wild. Hey. Butterfly and zebras and moonbeams and fairy tale. All she ever thinks about, right with the wind. When I'm sad, she comes to me with 1,000 smiles. She gives to me free. It's alright, she says, that you get anything. She won't throw me anything. Fly on. Fly circus, 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 circus minds run around. The fire seabirds of a bass, a fairy tale, all together. Out of it to it. When I'm sad, she cares to me. When at times of smiles, she gets on me free. It's alright, she says, just a candy. She went through me, just how you win, just how you win. I flashback alla chitarra elettrica Piercarlo Rinaldi, tastiere piano elettrico Emilio Capalbo, maestro Emilio Capalbo, please, perché di Cesare. On the drums Giancarlo Erbì, al basso Andrea barbarossa-basso. Andiamo avanti con un brano di Rem, anche questo molto famoso per un film, adesso non mi viene, non il titolo quanto l'attrice italiana Valeria Golino, ecco, mi è venuto, Rem